Hi lovely guys. Today, I'll show you an easy way to change the call background on a Samsung phone. This is going to be a super informative video, so make sure to watch till the end. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment a heart. So, without wasting any time, I'm in the phone app. You also go to your phone app. Now on the right side, you'll see 3 dots. Press on them. Go to Settings. Under Call Settings, you'll see Call Background. Call Background lets you change how your screen looks during a phone call. You can set a custom video, image, or color that shows behind the caller's information while you're on a call. Once you're in Call Background, you'll see SIM options. If your phone has 2 SIMs, choose the one for which you want to change the background. At the bottom, you'll see 2 options. The first is Layout. Layout lets you choose how the caller's information, like name, number, and photo appears on the screen during a call. You can pick different styles or positions for how this info is shown. But since we want to change the background, go to the Background option. Now at the top right, you'll see a plus icon. Press on it. This will take you to your gallery. Select any image you want and click on Set as Call Background. If it worked for you, type Done in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.